Okay, welcome to the next vlog. I did film a part one to this, but I forgot. I only did the rinse and spin for the drum problems in a washing machine. I thought I'd do the starter because this is when it was most notable because I wasn't expecting it at the time. So, but today has been a bit of a dodgy day. I've just created a video which is going to be out I think tomorrow of a anti-odor wash with bedding in, but to be honest, that went a bit tits up. It weren't for coming on at all on the app, and I was going to do a bed linen wash, but it weren't for happening, so I ended up with anti-odor on the Smart Touch app, and then it started going weird on the rotation during and it goes mad and that. So I'm going to give it another go. Okay, if this will start, I'm going to use synthetics like I did earlier on this morning. There's only a few towels in, so I'm going to put extra in some. Stay on level 1. Safety degree 1200. So what you'll do is here, don't know if you can hear it, it'll start making a grinding noise in a minute, so I'll bring the light closer, me too. You see that there? Yeah, you'll hear like a noticeable grinding noise in a minute. Sorry for cutting back to you. Try and do the thing again while I'm carrying the thing so you can hear it a bit better. You'll hear what I mean. Once it starts to rotate. Watch it not do it now. Might do it now. You can hear it like it's thin. Don't know if you can hear that. Don't know if you can hear that or not. Oh yeah, it's starting a bit on the left rotation, on the, is it, what do you call it? Is it anti-clockwise or clockwise? Yeah. I don't know if you can hear the pacing sound. Can you hear that pacing sound? I'm just trying to think, is that the ring light making that sound or the washing? The grinding sound it's trying to make. There, no. Yeah, I'm not too I weren't too move that back so you can see what's a bit better. I don't know if you heard then it was making a bit of a grinding sound, which that shouldn't be happening. And yeah. It's when it was filling, you can hear it. Yeah, it is starting a bit, you can hear it. So yeah, that's not a good sign for, these are probably going to be worn bearings, as you can see. Yeah, that's another indicator of worn bearings when it's making like a, this at the beginning of the wash. I think you can hear it again now. I'll bring the ring light forward a bit. Bugger. Maybe you can hear it now. It's gone up in sound now. So yeah. Oh bugger. This is, oh bugger. My phone's just gone. Yeah. thanks for watching this video. My phone's just come off its tripod there. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. The washing machine cocking up and that. So yeah, the airborne bearings definitely a few signs, especially on the previous video I did, which went on for about 47 minutes. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.